Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lian. So for today's video, I am going to share to you my immigration experience in NAIA Terminal 1, Philippines and Chicago Airport, United States of America. So if you have an upcoming flight and don't know what to do during immigration, then keep on watching. My flight was last October 25, 2023. Before the flight, guys, be sure that you prepare your hand carry. It can be a shoulder bag or a backpack. So in my case, I brought my laptop bag. And be sure to prepare the important documents that you need for the entire flight. Put it in your hand carry, okay? So what are the things that you need to bring? First is your passport with visa. So in my case, I have my K1 visa. Second is bring your yellow pocket because you need it in your first point of entry in USA. Third is bring your CFO certificate. No need to print it because the officer wants to see the exact email of CFO to you. So it's better to just bring your cell phone with data, okay? Next is bring your e-travel pass. If you don't know where to get it, then here is the link. And also bring your ticket, your flight ticket. And then in NAIA Terminal 1, be sure to prepare money, 1,620 for your travel tax. So guys, let's talk about my experience during immigration. So last October 25, I said goodbye to my family to fly to USA to be with my fiancé. So guys, brace yourself because during immigration, it's going to be a really long line. So if you have a flight, be sure that you go in the airport 3 or 4 hours early. So in my case, my flight was 8 o'clock in the morning, but I am there in the airport 3 a.m. So when I'm already in NAIA Terminal 1, I go to the travel tax payment. So guys, it's also a long line, so just be patient. And then after I pay the 1,620, I go to the counter to check in my luggage. And then after that, I went to the immigration. So it is a long line, okay? So when it is already my turn, the immigration officer asks for the CFO certificate. So in my case, I hand him a physical copy, but he didn't like it. He told me to show the email of a CFO to me. So good thing my phone during that time have data. So I was able to open my email and show it to the officer. And then after that, he told me to give my passport, and then he browsed it and looked at my visa. And then he only asked me one question, and his question is, what is your relationship to the petitioner? And I answered, he is my fiancé. And then after that, only one question, he put a stamp and I am good to go. So guys, here are some clips during my flight going to Tokyo. My next flight will be Tokyo to Chicago, and guys, it is my first ever international flight and I am nervous during the 12-hour flight because the captain told us that there will be thunderstorms, and at the middle of the flight, when it is already 6 hours, he told us that there will be an emergency landing. So I was really scared. I feel like it's going to be that it's going to be my last day. I'm sorry. So I'm really nervous during that time, but thank God I got here safely. So we are now in Chicago O'Hare Airport, and it is a very large airport. It even has a train to send you to a different airport, like to a domestic airport. International, you'll ride a train, so you'll be in the domestic airport. So guys, be sure that you will ask questions. Do not be shy, because the Americans, the staff in the airport are nice. They will really help you, okay? So, during my immigration in Chicago O'Hare Airport, of course, I expect that there is a really long line, okay? And when it is my turn, the officer told me to give me the yellow pocket, and then I gave it to her, and then she opened it and then scanned it. She did not ask me any question. I was just looking at her while she is opening and browsing the yellow pocket. I'm waiting for a question, but she didn't ask me anything. Maybe she is tired. And then when she was done, she just told me, be sure to get married in 90 days. And then I'm done. I'm now in my flight, Chicago to Michigan. So guys, that is my immigration experience. Don't forget to prepare all the needed documents, okay? And be sure to be confident and honest during the interview with the officers. But guys, don't worry, they are good, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have questions, you can comment down below. See you! Thank you for watching!